Welcome back, everybody, and we got some things going on today, as in cleaning up the T-33 hangar. Since she's out, making the most out of it by being able to get the forklift back there. Another one. In a surprising twist of events, the other forklift now has no brakes because the fluid leaked, or I don't know what's exactly is going on with it, but it's something else to address. Brakes, I don't get it. But yeah, we're cleaning up this hangar and getting stuff out of the way so we can just tidy up things and then put the T-33 back in, because the weather doesn't look all that great today. It might rain. We don't want that to get rained on. So yeah, so that's what we got going on today, in addition to some other stuff on the F-4. Yep. A little more. You're in.
Good right there.
Nice. Got a sleep on the back. I think it's going both directions. Which way is it running? It's going straight back. As close to the shelf as we can get. All right. Get as far back. Once you get it rolling, they'll go. All right. Straighten it up. Don't let it get. Yeah, there we go. Good. Ooh. Good, please. Keep it coming. Alright. Here, we need to let Jack go. Yeah. Tell us when to stop. Alright, keep going, listen. Good right there. Alright, excellent. Perfect. What are these for? Barrel stands. I wish I could read those. Oh. In the meantime, put up this underneath paint back there. Now, the start part, I'm just going to put straight back. It's like parallel to the straight. Yeah.
Gotta go for a ride.
Thank you, sir. Check it out. It stops again. Nice.
Mike was well-intentioned when he did that, but you can't actually see what you're doing.
Combustion liner, you get the wheel, all that. Yeah. Got it very carefully heavy, but it's probably not, isn't it?
It's not actually, surprisingly.
What?
I was expecting that to be. Oh, that's full of
Fuel.
fuel. That's a pump.
We found the fuel pump.
Oh wow.
Turn it up. Just flip it up. Yeah, there you go.
Well, yeah, there's two open ports on each side.
It's fine. It'll dry. Clean it up. Much better looking in here. You still got another thing to move, like that tug over there that can't start. You're gonna go to hangar 2, so you gotta steer.
Okay, like that,
so
right?
follow him.
Okay, left to go right, right to go left, right?
Correct. There we go. Turn, other way. Other way.
Right.
Keep turning. There you go. Straight. There you go. Nice. youngest son right there. We've been teaching him an awful lot of stuff lately.
Hey, look, a Phantom.
Yeah, look at that. Crew Chief Al has been busy resealing various parts and bits on the strut. Getting this all back in order. Got a bunch of seals that came in. We'll get her there. We want her back on her feet by the end of the month. Good stuff. Still got to work on that electrical system too. But that may have to wait a little bit. We'll get to there. We'll get there.
Right nut.
I got it. Don't worry about it. There you go. There's the keys.
Thank you.
We'll leave them there. And yes, somehow the F-100 magically turned into a MiG. Oh, hey, there's the F-100 in one of our start carts. So a little bit to my surprise, the F-100 is being actively worked on by another group that we're partnered up with. So she may fly soon. Slow and steady. Alrighty, walking the wings. We went and borrowed a tug with a fully functional brake system. We don't want any incidences with the airplanes, like say smashing the tail into the back of the hangar. About a foot. Hey Matt, pull down the dolly.
Yeah, set that dolly down.
Pull the dolly down. Yeah, pull it down. There you go. This stuff.
Guess our strut a little bit more.
Yeah, we don't want the bottom of the tank to hit this stuff. There we go. Nice, looking good. Nope. She's in. Good. Drop it. Yeah. Sucks. There we go. You good? All right, so pretty productive day otherwise. Another one of our guys is still pursuing the electrical on the F-4. I'm helping out with the ground power stuff right now lately, and because a lot of this stuff has to be able to work. So just a quick rundown. All three of our tugs have nicknames, by the way. I don't know, I've probably shared that before, but so we have this one. This is the one that doesn't start currently because of the starter went bad. This is one we call Sparky because she had electrical problems before, so she ended up getting rewired in order to work again. But that one was actually was an old baggage tug for United Airlines. It's still on the data plate. That was the original customer that bought it. It was United Airlines. This one here is Darlin. This is the big heavy tug, and based on her data plate, weighs 7,400 pounds. So that's a lot heavier than my pickup truck. And part of what makes her heavy is the thick steel that they used all throughout the chassis. Because more weight equals more traction, plus the drivetrain that helps pull and give a lot of tractive effort. Now our third tug is in the other hangar. Let's go grab you that. Alrighty, now in the hangar where we keep the Marines, our A4 and the Huey, we have our oldest tug that we own here, and this one is aptly named Old Timer. This is actually not a diesel; it's a gas powered. It's got an inline six, a flathead inline six, and hey, that's my hat. I've been looking for this hat. Huh. Awesome! I found my hat. Anyway, so this one I need to rebuild the carburetor on it, reseal it, and set the mixtures again. And I think the front main oil seal on the crankshaft is leaky, so I got to change that out. And I think I got to service the brakes on this one too. It's on the list, but it's far down the list. But yeah, that's our tugs. All right, everybody. That's all we got from the hangar today. Sorry I didn't have as much F4 stuff this week, but we'll pick back up with that again next week. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.